Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to host a website using NGINX on an Ubuntu server in Utho Cloud. We will go step by step from installing NGINX to creating a simple web page. Let's get started. Step 1. Install NGINX. First, we will install NGINX on our Ubuntu server. NGINX is a powerful web server that can efficiently serve static and dynamic content. Once installed, our server will be ready to host websites. Step 2. Start and enable NGINX. After installation, we start the NGINX service and enable it to run automatically on system boot. This ensures our web server is always running. Step 3. Create a web page. Next, we create a simple HTML page in the NGINX web directory. This page can include a welcome message, a short description, or any content you like. Step 4. Adjust permissions. We will set proper permissions for the web folder to ensure NGINX can read and serve our files without errors. Step 5. Configure firewall. If a firewall is enabled, we allow HTTP traffic so that visitors can access our website using the server's IP address. Step 6. Test the website. Finally, we open a browser and visit the server IP. You should see your website live, confirming that NGINX is working perfectly. Congratulations! You have successfully hosted a website using NGINX on Utho Cloud. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.